Oh, damn FDA. Why can't it all be marshmallow?
Ew, Bart, don't put the non-marshmallow pieces back in the box. They go in the trash.
Ooh, you like sweets, kids? I know a place that's sweeter than sweetness itself. In this sweet place, earthly donuts are sour as poison. You'd spit them out, you would. I'm talking about the Candy Industry Trade Show.
How did you get tickets?
They hid them in every millionth Krusty Klump bar and Krusty Klump bar with almonds.
Hey! I have asked you nicely not to mangle my merchandise. You leave me no choice but to ask you nicely again.
Can I come to the candy shop?
No, me.
Sorry, kids, but this is the one event I want my darling wife by my side.
Well, thank you, Homer. But take one of the kids.
Marge, they can't carry enough candy. They have puny little muscles, not big ropey ones like you.
You go, Mom. For the greater good.
For the greater good.
Homer, are all these pockets necessary?
They wouldn't be if you were willing to sit in a hollowed-out wheelchair.